Hello students. Students, today we are going to learn to find the derivative of exponential and logarithm function. Question number 1, fx equals to e to the power 2 log x plus 3x. Students, we know that x to the power a plus b can be written as x to the power a into x to the power b. That's why e to the power 2 log x plus 3x can be written as e to the power 2 log x into e to the power 3x. Okay. Now students, 2 log x can be written as log x square. So this part can be written as e to the power log x square into e to the power 3x. Okay. Now students, we know that e log x equals to x. So e log x square can be written as x square into e to the power 3x. Now the function is fx equals to x square into e to the power 3x. Let us find out its derivative by using product rule, because there are two functions, fx, x square and e to the power 3x. So we know that in differentiation in derivative, we have to write first second function as it is, and we have to find the derivative of first function x square plus first function x square as it is, and we have to find the derivative of second function. Second function is e to the power 3x. E to the power 3x will remain as it is. X square derivative 2x plus x square, its derivative e to the power 3x. Now 3x derivative is 3. So now students, f dash x equals to 2x e to the power 3x plus x square e to the power 3x into 3. Okay students, so f dash x equals to 2x e to the power 3x plus x square e to the power 3x into 3. Now students, you can see what is common here. X is common and e to the power 3x is common. So we will take common x into e to the power 3x. What left here? 2 plus 3x. 2 plus 3 and 1x. So answer is x e to the power 3x, 2 plus 3x in bracket. This is the derivative of the function. Now let us take one more question, student. Fx equals to log sine e to the power x plus 5x plus 8. So f dash x equals to its derivative, students, dy by dx log sine e to the power x plus 5x plus 8. So f dash x equals to its differentiation, sine e to the power x plus 5x plus 8 will be supposed as x. So log x derivative is 1 upon x. So 1 upon x value. We have to write here sine e to the power x plus 5x plus 8. Now students, we have to find out the derivative of sine e to the power x plus 5x plus 8. Now student, e to the power x plus 5x plus 8 will be supposed as x. Then sin x derivative is cos x, cos, and this is the value of x. Now student, derivative of e to the power x plus 5x plus 8. So cos e to the power x plus 5x plus 8 upon sin e to the power x plus 5x plus 8. It is cos upon sin, cot e to the power x plus 5x plus 8, and its derivative e to the power x plus 5x derivative is 5, 8 derivative is 0, so its derivative e to the power x plus 5. Now students, next question, fx equals to e to the power x square. We have to find out its derivative. So derivative differentiation equals to dy by dx e to the power x square. Now students, we can use here chain law. So e to the power x square, this part will be supposed as x. So e to the power x derivative, e to the power x. So e to the power x derivative will be remain as it is, e to the power ex square. Now students, we have to find out derivative of e to the power x square. Correct? So e to the power x square. Now student, x square will be supposed as x. So e to the power x derivative is e to the power x. So e to the power x value is x square here. Now student, we will find out derivative of x square. X square derivative is 2x. So now its answer is 2x e to the power x square into e to the power ex square. Okay students? Okay then, have a nice day.